The video illustrates a deep neural network, DNN, for AI predictions in semiconductor production planning and control, PPC, designed by Pradeep K. Suri. Let's break down the mathematics and relevant Python libraries used in such a network. Large Blue Diamond Core Math branches used in deep neural networks. Math branch concept applied in DNN description. Linear algebra matrix multiplication, dot product for computing weighted sums across layers. Calculus partial derivatives, chain rule for backpropagation and gradient computation. Probability and statistics loss functions, regularization for classification confidence, regularization, and performance. Optimization theory gradient descent, atom optimizer to minimize the loss function. Numerical methods efficient computation used for stable implementation and convergence. Large orange diamond key mathematical formulas in a DNN. 1. Forward propagation. Linear transformation. ZL equals WLAL1 plus BLZ caret L equals W caret L backslash dot A caret L1 plus B caret LZL equals WLAL1 plus BL. WLW caret LWL, weights for layer LLL. AL1A caret L1 AL1, activations from previous layer. BLB caret LBL, bias vector. ZLZ caret LZL, pre-activation output. Activation function, example ReLU, sigmoid, 10. AL equals sigma, ZL, A caret L equals backslash sigma, Z caret L, AL equals sigma, ZL. Sigma backslash sigma, activation function. 2. Loss function, example mean squared error, cross entropy. Mean squared error, MSE. L equals 1 m sigma I equals 1 m, y caret I, 2 backslash mathcal L equals backslash frac 1 m backslash sum underscore I equals 1 caret m backslash left, y underscore I, backslash hat y underscore I backslash right, caret 2 L equals m1 I equals 1 sigma m, y caret I, 2. Binary cross entropy. L equals 1 m sigma I equals 1 m ulig, y caret I, plus, 1 y, log, 1 y caret I, backslash mathcal L equals dash backslash frac 1 m backslash sum underscore I equals 1 caret m backslash left y underscore I backslash log, backslash hat y underscore I, plus, 1, y underscore I, backslash log, 1, backslash hat y underscore I, backslash right L equals m1 I equals 1 sigma m ulig, y caret I, plus, 1 y, log, 1 y caret I. 3. Backpropagation, gradient descent. Chain rule application. LWL equals LALALZLZLWL backslash frac backslash partial backslash mathcal L backslash partial W caret L equals backslash frac backslash partial backslash mathcal L backslash partial A caret L backslash dot backslash frac backslash partial A caret L backslash partial Z caret L backslash dot backslash frac backslash partial Z caret L backslash partial W caret L WLL equals ALLZLALWLZL. Weight update rule. WL equals WL alpha LWL W caret L equals W caret L, backslash alpha backslash dot backslash frac backslash partial backslash mathcal L backslash partial W caret L WL equals WL alpha WLL. Alpha backslash alpha, learning rate. Package Python libraries for DNNs, with MathScope. Library role relevant math. NumPy core numerical operations linear algebra, dot products, array ops. TensorFlow neural network training auto differentiation, optimization. PyTorch dynamic graph-based NN training same as TensorFlow with better debugging. Scikit-learn lightweight ML algorithms metrics, data preprocessing. SciPy advanced math functions integration, optimization, interpolation. Matplotlib/Seaborn visualization graph plotting, histograms, etc. Pushpin in context of the diagram. Input nodes, light blue represent raw features like raw material, WIP, etc. Hidden layers, orange and green processed via matrix multiplications, activation functions. Output nodes, magenta predict KPI like finished goods, dispatch units, QC pass %, etc. Thank you.